One of my other hobbies, I like to build and ride custom motorized bicycles. This is a Schwinn beach cruiser frame with, of course, custom front forks, handlebars, and rear view mirrors. I had an old one that was kind of a pieced together scrapyard one. Its video is also on my channel, but this is my personal baby. It's a BBR tuning motor. Got my little Guardian bell there. All customized from the rims, handlebars, forks, the little gooseneck there. Also a custom chain tensioner pulley, just to alleviate issues with chain tension and snapping chains when you put this much torque on a bicycle. So we'll fire it up and go for a ride. You usually want to let them warm up just a little bit before you ride them.